Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, performance, and innovation come together. Today, we're checking out something truly unbelievable, the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a futuristic luxury RV that brings supercar-inspired style and premium comfort into one incredible package. This isn't your typical motorhome. Ferrari has taken the idea of luxury road travel and transformed it into a rolling masterpiece designed for buyers who want speed-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, and 5-star comfort on every journey. From the outside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks like nothing else on the road. Inspired by Ferrari's supercar DNA, it features a sleek aerodynamic body, aggressive front fascia, signature LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and premium alloy wheels that give it a sporty and futuristic appearance. The low-slung styling, bold grille design, and Ferrari-inspired details make this RV look more like an exotic supercar than a traditional motorhome. Every angle feels dramatic, luxurious, and attention-grabbing. Step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome delivers a true first-class experience. The cabin is designed like a luxury penthouse on wheels, featuring premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and high-end finishes throughout. A massive touchscreen infotainment system, digital controls, premium sound system, and smart connectivity features create a futuristic atmosphere. The lounge area offers plush seating, while the private bedroom, luxury bathroom, and fully equipped kitchen make long road trips feel like staying in a 5-star hotel. Performance is also impressive for a luxury RV. The Ferrari Motorhome is expected to use a high-performance hybrid powertrain, delivering strong acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and advanced driving technology. Adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, advanced driver assistance systems, and premium braking make it feel stable and refined on long journeys. Pricing for the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is expected to start around $500,000, with ultra-luxury versions going far beyond that depending on features and customization. The all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just an RV, it's a luxury supercar-inspired home on wheels, combining exotic styling, premium comfort, and advanced technology in one outrageous package. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting reviews right here on Road Roar.